In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to create your own minting page for your NFT project, so you can basically just sell your NFTs off a custom website, and that is just so nice. And all of that we are going to create without code. So I've seen a lot of videos on this topic, but they were all like trying to create a contract by code and that stuff. And we're not going to do that. We're just going with the easy way, and we're going to use a tool for this. So it's going to be really simple, and you will be ready to launch your NFT project after this. So if this video helps you guys out, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And without further ado, let's get right into this video. Alright, so first of all, we need to go to our search engine. I'm going to go with Google here, and we have to put in a link. And this link is linked in the description below, so make sure to get the link there. And then you just have to put it in here. And this is the link. If you just want to put it in, you can do that too. Like write it in by hand, but I think it's just easier to get the link. And then we'll just click enter, and we will get here. Now here we are on the starting page. Here we just have to log in, and obviously many of y'all won't have any account created, maybe, or maybe you do. So what we need to do though is create an account if we haven't. So just go on here, create an account. That's really easy. Or you can just continue with MetaMask. That is easy too. And I have already created an account, so I'm just going to log into that. And now I'm just going to log in. So just click on login, and I am in here. So you guys should see the exact same thing as I do. And now we will just go on here. We want to create a smart contract, so we will just go on create contract, as easy as that. And we don't have to use any code. We will just have to fill out these boxes. And that is just really awesome. What is awesome too is this NFT project called Metasnacks. I mean, look at this 3D art in 4K resolution, and it's made by an amazing artist with a solid following already. And not only is the artwork really cool, but you can literally earn money with this NFT by staking it, and that's going to pay out passive income in ETH every single month. And like that wasn't enough, they are even going to give away a mutant ape to one of the holders. And I mean, just look at the prices on OpenSea. That's tens of thousands of dollars. So if I were you, I would definitely check out this project, because I think everything about this is really promising, and this can be the next big thing. All the links are in the description below, so make sure to check that out. But now back to the website. So set the name for your collection, so whatever it is, I'm just going to say it's Sleepy Surfers now. Like that, symbol. Like that. So you basically just pick what you think is best. Then price per NFT minted. Now you have to choose a price. 0.05 ETH sounds good. And then total number of NFTs. That depends on how many you have created, but I have created 100, so I will have 100 in here. If you have 10,000 NFTs, just put 10,000 there. As simple as that. Then here, select the blockchain. I'm just going to say deploy on Ethereum, I think. Yeah, and then just go on create contract. As easy as that. Just like that, we have created the contract. Now we will just have to deploy on the blockchain and connect our image to this contract. So that's really simple. Just go on here again, as I did, and say connect images. Now we just have to use the FPS from this website or host our own. But I think it's just easier to use this one if you don't happen to have one. So we'll just go on here, and then we will just have to buy this. And you can see it's $20 a month. It's really not that much. And here we just put in the number and all that stuff. Now, once you have paid it, then you should be right here. We are at the upload our images to IPFS. So that is basically simple. We just have to upload the images we have created in our collection to this. Then afterwards the metadata, and then we can just confirm that. So if you don't have a collection already, maybe check out my last video. I will show you how to really easily create this on the same website, and then you should be good to go. But if you have, just go on. So I'm just going to minimize this, really simple, and then I have my folder with everything right here. So I'm just going to go on here, then on our images, and I'm going to select all and drop them in here. So just select them and then drag and drop them in here. 100 files added, as you guys can see, and that's what we want. That's our 100 images. So just upload that. That will take a second, and then we will go on. Now, as you guys can see, it has added the images already. Now we will just go ahead and minimize this again, and then we will drag in our metadata right here. So just go on here onto your folder and select all of your metadata. 102, like that, and then we will just drag and drop them in here as well. Just like that, we have that in there. So we are going to click on upload to. Okay, now, so when you're here, we got these IPFS links, so we can see where the NFTs is stored and if everything is correct. So we have to check that. For that, we have to download something first so that our browser can read this IPFS link. And something I will use is a Chrome extension, and that's called IPFS Companion. Here we got it, so I'm just gonna click on that, and then you guys are going to do that too. And then we will just say add to Chrome. So it's checking now, and we are going to add the extension. Okay, so now when we have downloaded that, we should be alright, and we can just copy this IPFS link. As you guys can see, I've got the Chrome extension right here, and it's running. So just go on here, and then just copy that in, and let that load. Okay, it just took me about 30 seconds, so just be patient. And then you guys should see this. So we got all our files right here. Now we can just check if this is right. And as you guys can see, this looks right. So we can head back to this site here, and yeah, we can just click confirm at this point. So just click confirm, and then we are done with that. Okay, and then now the last step will obviously be to deploy it on the blockchain. So just click on that, and then we'll have to log in with our MetaMask. Just confirm that. So I'm with my MetaMask in here now, and now I'm just gonna click that again. And you guys see I have to pay a gas fee now, but I'm on the RigBuy test network, so it's not real ETH I'm going to pay now. For you guys, it will be like $100 in ETH or like Somatic. You have to pay. It depends on what blockchain you selected before. But yeah, so then you just say confirm here, pay that, and yeah, then we will be right here. And as you guys can see, we got the contract ready, and there is our detail. We have 100 NFTs, where we have the right price, and here we can see what is sold already, and metadata URL and that stuff. So that's the details right here. And yeah, besides these details here, we have these different tabs where we can, open public sale, open pre-sale. We can see our whitelist, so we can just copy our addresses in here and airdrop things and that stuff. So that's really cool. And yeah, in case we just want to, open a public sale, you can just click open public sale. That's pretty simple. Then you have to go into your MetaMask again and just confirm that and pay a low gas fee. So I'm just going to confirm that right now for demonstration purposes. And then we'll have to wait a second. But I think it might be open now. So we're going back to details. No. Oh yeah, here. Transaction was successful. So now when we look here, we have the public sale. So everybody can actually mint this NFT now. So now we can close that again, or we can just, let that be. Now we are basically done with the contract, and it's time to build the actual website. For that, we got the embed thing right here. So that's where we have our button right here. So if you happen to have a website already, you can just include that, and then you will have that mint button right there. But what is so great about this service is that we actually can create our own mint site on this website right here. So we can just go onto the tab website up here and create a minting website, and that is so great. So we just click on that, and then you can just first of all get a subdomain. You can change that later on to your own domain, but get a subdomain. So for us it would be sleepy, and here it's important, it can only be lowercase letters, so just use lowercase. Sleepy, and then I just say, sleepy surfers. I'm just gonna spell it out like that. Only lowercase letters, just like that. Then the smart contract is going to be right here. Just make sure that you have the right smart contract address. So it's this one for my project. So I'm just gonna select that one. If you only have created one smart contract, there will only be one. But yeah, just select that, and then we are ready to click on create. Now, as you guys can see, we have created our website and we can edit it. So just click on the edit thingy. And as you guys can see, here we got a template already where we can put in some pictures, some text. So that is really, really nice. Now just go on this one right here. Here we can just put in our title. So for us, it's going to be Sleepy Surfers here. So just put in whatever you need for your project. Then I don't really have a description, so I'm just gonna delete that. But if you have a description, put that in here. And then we will obviously just upload a file. I don't really have a logo image, but I'm just gonna use one of my NFTs. So just upload that, as simple as that. And as you guys can see, it is already being displayed here. So it popped up there. And yeah, then we will move on to the background color. We can edit that too. For that, we just have to enter like this little code. Unfortunately, they don't have a color picker here, so we can just go and search for color picker. And I'm going to link this in the description below, this website here, where you can just, select a color and then just copy this code. So just do that. Find a website where you can do this, and then just delete this and put it in here. As easy as that. Now we can move on. Here we got the font color. We can change that too, but I'm just gonna leave it like that. And then here is the most important part. That is our mint button. We can see that on this is mint. So we want to say mint here. So it displays mint over there. And that's basically where people click to mint this NFT. So just put that in there. And then, yeah, we can go on and edit all these other tiles too and really customize it. I think I'm going to edit this website a bit now, and then I will be back with showing you how I designed everything. And then we will see how it looks, and we will try to buy a NFT from this website. Okay, it's been like 5 minutes and I have redesigned this whole website. I think it looks great already, and if you have like a description that fits perfectly in here, then it looks even better, and if you put in some more work, that can look really great. So, just like that. And then with the minting button, I actually noticed that I forgot to tell you something, so we basically have to click on toggle mint to activate it as a minting button, as you guys can see. And then it's a minting button. So now it's a minting button. Just click on that and then we can leave this. Yeah, so now we are basically done. Now we just have to save to draft. Always save this, otherwise it's gone. So always just save while you're working on this. And then we can maybe, go in here and yeah, get our custom domain in here by adding a domain or whatever you would like to. But I will just leave it like that now. So I'm going to go back to the builder, and here we will just go to publish now. And then we have chosen our domain, choose all domain. And then we will just create that. And then this page has been published, so we can go ahead and view this live. Now it's just loading. And as you guys can see, it's already going to my MetaMask. I'm just going to connect this. And yeah, this is our website now. And this is how easy you can create this. And then you just have your own page in here where you can go on here, mint now. We are going to try this. So it's going to a MetaMask. And as you guys can see, we can mint a NFT from this now with like some gas fee. It's really easy. Just confirm. And then we will be able to wait a second and get our NFT in here. Let me just see. As you guys can see, we got our NFT in here. We minted that. And yeah, that's how easy it is for 0.5 ETH. So you guys have seen how simple this is. Make sure to check out this website, and then you can create your own mint site like this. And yeah, let people mint that. Now, if I wanted to, stop the mint and that stuff, I could just go back in here and then go into my smart contract and close that. Or I could open it for whitelist and all that stuff. So it's really, really not complicated. It's really easy. No code at all. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you have any questions, just make sure to catch me in the comment section and I will try to reply. Make sure to hit the like button and to subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And with that said, I will hopefully see you guys next time. Bye.